Hi, my name is Bikesh Srivastava, and in this session, we will learn about the attribute routing in MVC. So, first of all, uh, what topic we will cover today? First of all, what is routing and what is attribute routing and how many how many type of ASP .NET MVC routing. So first of all, what is routing? Routing just endpoint, just URL, what you want to show in the browser. So let's start how to uh, use route in MVC. So first of all, you can see that the MVC project. You can see here the already MVC framework created the route config file. Inside the route config file, you can see MVC created a default route, default control name is home, and action name is index. So now you can create multiple route inside MVC project like this, and just you can change the name. You can create multiple route like home. Like this, you can create multiple route inside the route config file. So for now, just I'm going to show you how to use attribute routing in MVC application. So let's start. So first of all, uh, create MVC application, and after that, create a controller. Already I have created employee controller. So just create one more action inside the employee controller. Suppose like about action. So you can see these actions will return a view, return a HTML page. So how to use attribute routing? To apply the attribute routing in MVC project, you have to write a single line of code inside the MVC route config file. So line is route stop map MVC attribute routes. So this line used to allow the feature of the attribute routing inside the MVC application. If you are not using, if you not added this line of code, your attribute routing functionality features will not work in your application. So don't forget to write the line of code routes dot map MVC attribute routes in the inside the route config file. So now how to create route config? Just you can see inside the you can apply route prefix, route area, route and route prefix. Route area, once you, however, you will create any area in the MVC application, you can use route area to apply the routing and apply the attribute routing in MVC project. So for now, just use route prefix. Route prefix, suppose I have used just use the comma. Inside the inverted comma, you can write any string for the route prefix. Route prefix string will apply for the all action, and you can set here route like get, and on the second action you can use. So now in your mind one question is arising, I think. Question is, what is the advantage of the attribute routing? Because for now in MVC application you can consume any controller and any action by the controller name slash action name like this. This is the postman. You can test. In the previous session I have explained about how to use postman to test MVC controller. So now this is the my port number, my then controller and action. So now if you want to consume this controller, you have to set the path none slash get. Advantage of the attribute routing. Attribute routing just allow, suppose you don't want expose your function name, your action name and your controller, and due to security reason we don't want expose my controller name and action name. In that case attribute routing can be helped. So that's why I'm using attribute routing. I don't want expose, I don't want show on the URL, employee and index. So let's see. So let's run the application. Now in the postman you can change none slash get. But you can say here I don't have create any view for this action. So we have to return something inside the inside the action. So just wait, will succeeded. Application is now ready to run. So now you can see by default home action and index action will call according the route config, because I have already declared the by default route is home and action name is index, but inside the home controller we have not declared any attribute route. So you can see here by default home controller and action index will run, but I want execute my controller like employee controller. So just click on employee, click on send. My application port number is 58641 localhost. So here localhost 58641 slash none slash get. You can see debug came here. Just we need to wait. Application is running. I have sent the request to none on this URL, which is they will search, postman search the route. Wow, that's great. My route, my attribute routing working fine, and debug came here. So now you just press the F5. Because of here are no view of the index, that's why they are not returning something. Okay, so finally attribute routing is working fine, and I hope you learn about the attribute routing. For more update, for please check, please subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel. So that's all for today in this session. Thank you.